what is the type of vibe here in this apartment? Literally, when I came in, I said, wow, the furniture, the feel, looks very modern in design and really reflects the culture that I've known from the developers, Canaan. And I really feel that this one-bedroom apartment will be very well used by professionals of all walks of life. So what stands out here is the two elements. One is the colors, and the other one is the actual furniture and the way it's been agencyed. Essentially, in terms of colors, it looks very unified, very modern in design, and it hovers between grays and brown. That makes it very uniform and well organized. And then the furniture is very modern in design and represents, a modern life in Westlands. So my idea was to live in one and rent out the other one, or both, it depends. So when they come on board, I'll really have to consider, the market price and other financial elements to it. But I feel that I would live in one at least for a year to really enjoy it, because that's an investment I've made, and then rent out the other one.